Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanika. I'm so glad to have you here, and to my subscribers, thank you for all of your support. So today we're getting into a real life, just maintain and reset my home just a little bit. I'm organizing my pantry, so I'm just going to share a little simple way I keep my rice and flour fresh and bug free. Then we're tackling these floors because the grout definitely needs some attention in my living room. I also picked up some new motion sensor sconces that I'm going to install to upgrade my space on a budget. So I wanted to share that with you. And then I'll just be ending the day by getting back into a healthier habit with a quick smoothie and yogurt bowl that I made all by myself. So if you need some motivation to clean, organize, and to reset or just maintain your space, this video is for you. So just continue to watch and leave your comments below, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Now in this part, I just simply use some baking soda in the grout, hydro peroxide, and some disinfectant Oban. For me, this really helped just brighten up the grout. You guys, this kind of took me a long time. My bathroom has this towel, both of my bathrooms, my living room and my dining room and my kitchen. So I'm just gonna, just whenever I have free time, just do different parts of the house. Okay, you guys, so we're about to install these motion sensor wall lights at the side of my wall art by my console table, by my entryway in my dining room. I got these from Amazon. It was $24 for two. I absolutely love this. It comes with the remote. I charged the battery fully. So as you can see, you can put like a little sticky pad on here, the apprehensive pad that they give you if you want to stick it on the wall. But I'm going to nail it because as I'm taking it on and off the charge, I don't want to risk it falling off and breaking, and then it'll be a waste of a piece of apprehensive tape, which can also peel the paint off of the wall. So I'm going to screw it into the wall, but it comes with two, and I'm so excited to put these up because I needed some kind of sconces, some kinds of additional lighting over this picture frame. I also picked this level laser up from Amazon, so I'm going to use this to help me and help guide me get this up on the wall evenly. So let's go. Leveler, you just put that on. Okay, you guys, so we put it up. I think I did a really good job. Usually I put a whole bunch of holes in the wall trying to get things straight and even. I think towards my right side, I could have just put it, push it out maybe just a bit, about an inch or two, but this is how we're going to keep it. So this is what the motion sensors look like. Got the buttons on the top, and we're just going to go ahead and that it comes with, battery operated. And if I keep it on auto, every time it's motion light. So every time you walk by, the lights will come on, which I like, especially if it's at night. And I have a timer so I could keep these on for 30 minutes. Let's turn this off. But I think I did a really good job. It took me, you guys, less than 10 minutes to put this up on the wall. And what really saved me was the laser leveler. So now I have lights protruding on the top and towards the bottom, and this makes the space look complete. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. For $24, this was a really good buy. For my yogurt bowl, you guys, I just use some granola, chia seeds, frozen raspberries, honey, frozen bananas, and I'm just gonna seal this off and put it in the fridge for later. But this was so good, you guys. It was so filling and gave me the right amount of protein that I need. And then I just made a smoothie, which is gonna have some flax seeds in there, blueberries, mangoes, blackberries. I believe I added some bananas and pineapples in here as well. And then I just put some of the carotene, which has been working really well for as far as like my muscles, my memory. And I'm going to have these two together. And that's going to be it for my afternoon lunch. And I'm so glad that you guys watched my video. Thank you for all of your support. I pray that God will bless you and your family. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, hype the video. It really helps me out a lot. Leave your comments below. Any suggestions? What kind of smoothies do you guys make? And what kind of yogurt bowls do you guys suggest that I can make at home? I'll see you in the next one.